When in dedicated mode, we can simply tap the cook icon, go ahead and select our product, and this will go ahead and automatically start the timer. Once the timer goes off and we acknowledge the end of the cook time, then we can simply tap the icon again to start another cook cycle, and this is how we would use dedicated mode. If we want to select a different product while in dedicated mode, all we need to do is simply swipe to the side and then we can select a different product. It will go ahead and begin the countdown of that timer. We can do the same thing on the other side. And now we are still in dedicated mode and we are now cooking a different product. And that's how we would use dedicated mode.